Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect add to cart button on shop page to checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when user click on add to cart button, then we are going to redirect add to cart button to checkout page directly on shop page. So we are in shop page, so click on add to cart. Now you see open cart page. Now again go to shop page, go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it, and then you see product tab, so again click on it, and then scroll down, you see add to cart behavior, so disable both option and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin, so then write WP code in search plugin. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now click on add to cart again. Now you see add to cart button on shop page, redirect to checkout page directly. Now scroll down, you see your order. If you want to change add to cart button on shop page, so click on shop page. Now back to code, so we are going to change add to cart button text. Now paste. Now you see buy me new text, so you can add text according to your requirement and then click on update again. Now snippet updated. Go to shop page and refresh the page again. Now you see buy me, so click on it and then redirect to checkout page from our shop page in WooCommerce WordPress website, and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.